Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to define material in Onshape. So what you are going to do is first select your part. So head over here to the left panel at the bottom where you see parts and this one part right here. So what you are going to do here is simply just select it and right click on it, and you will see here assign material. And now from this menu here, we can select which material we want. So we have library here or custom. If you know it, the name of the material and all the density, young models, and so on, you can type right here. If you don't know exactly, we can select here from the library, and we can use this Onshape material library, or we can add our own material library if you have one. Now let's go here from Onshape material library, uh, and here we can search for material. So we can type in here, let's say something like that. Select, you will see density, and click just on confirm. And now we have defined our part, the material. And yeah, how you can verify the part's weight. Once material is successfully assigned, you can view its exact physical weight profile. So you can click on your part to highlight it in 3D view, like so. And now you can look at the absolute bottom right corner of your screen and click the mass properties icon. So like this one here, and panel will open displaying the model exact mass weight, volume, surface area, and center of mass coordinates. And yeah, this is pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next.